Hello everyone, this is Eric. Today I will talk about milk replacer for calf growth. The calf is the most important stage in the growth processes. Because of its limited immunity and underdeveloped organs, the demand for nutrients is very high. In order to reduce cost and facilitate management, and at the same time meet adequate nutritional needs, we usually feed calves with milk replacer after birth. There are many kinds of milk replacers on the market, which contain sufficient protein, fat, and vitamins. The fat content is about 20%. Due to the limited digestion and absorption capacity of calves, such as high content of fat is difficult for calves to fully digest and absorb. The emulsifier in milk replacers only acts on the emulsification process of fat, and the effect is very limited. But bile acids act on all three processes of fat emulsification, digestion, and absorption, which can supplement the deficiency of common emulsifiers and can completely replace them. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.